Right now, हजारों डिलीवरी राइडर्स हैवी ट्रैफिक चीरते हुए rushing to bring you a 20 rupees packet of Maggie. And here is the brutal truth. हर बार जब आप ऑर्डर करते हो, the app is likely losing money on the delivery. They pay the rider, they pay for the fuel, and they pay for the packaging. The math simply does not make sense. फिर भी in first quarter of FY26 alone, Blinkit reported 2400 crore in revenue and officially hit EBITDA profitability. Goldman Sachs just valued them at $13 billion, making Blinkit worth more than Zomato's entire food delivery business. Zepto, their biggest rival, just crossed $5 billion valuation. How? क्योंकि यह कोई नॉर्मल ग्रोसरी ऐप नहीं है. You are not paying for convenience. You are being manipulated in a massive multi-billion-dollar real estate heist. To understand the quick commerce bloodbath, आपको ट्रेडिशनल रिटेल का सारा गेम भूलना पड़ेगा. If you open a normal supermarket, you need it on a main road. आप मैसिव रेंट पे करते हो फॉर ग्लास विंडोज, एयर कंडीशनिंग एंड ब्यूटीफुल एसलेस के लिए. Blinkit and Zepto do the exact opposite. They rent cheap windowless basements and abandoned warehouses deep inside residential neighborhoods. इन्हें हम dark stores कहते हैं. By late 2025, Blinkit scaled to over 2,000 of these dark stores. But here is the genius part. वो मैथमेटिकली एक स्ट्रिक्ट 2 किलोमीटर्स रेडियस कैलकुलेट करते हैं अराउंड ईच स्टोर. If you live 2.1 kilometers away, the app literally tells you it cannot deliver to you. The 10-minute delivery promise isn't a feature. यह एक strict geographical net है designed to completely monopolize a single neighborhood. They cram up to 10,000 items inside these tiny spaces. But they quickly realize कि सब्जी और ग्रोसरीज बेचने में प्रॉफिट मार्जिन टेरेबल है. सो उन्होंने गेम के रूल ही बदल दिए. As the market share stabilized in 2026 with Blinkit dominating at 45% and Zepto holding a fiance of 21%. The strategy pivoted. You cannot become a $13 billion company selling 50 rupees tomatoes. The margins are so thin. So Blinkit and Zepto started selling iPhones, PlayStations, and premium skincare products. By pushing the average order value above 650, the math suddenly flips. The delivery cost stays the exact same, but the profit margin on the card explodes. But then they did something even more aggressive. They shifted to a first-party inventory model. This means Blinkit buys the good directly from the brands at a massive wholesale discount, stores it in their own dark stores और आपको MRP पर बेचते हैं. They control entire margin. But believe it or not, असली billions यहाँ भी नहीं बन रहे. Here is the final piece of the puzzle. The real reason these companies burn cash to get you addicted to a 10-minute delivery. They are building a digital advertising empire. Let me prove it to you. Open your quick commerce app और face wash search करो. The first 3 products you see are not the best selling ones. वो उन brands के हैं जिन्होंने Blinkit को सबसे ज्यादा पैसे दिए हैं to be on their top list. This is called retail media. In 2025, Blinkit and Zepto both crossed 1,000 crore in annual ad revenue. Blinkit's ad revenue grew at a staggering 220%, double the speed of their actual grocery orders. If a brand runs an ad on television, they have to wait days to see किसी ने प्रोडक्ट खरीदा या नहीं. But if Coca-Cola pays Zepto for the top banner at 11 p.m. on a Saturday, they know exactly how many people clicked it and bought it within 10 minutes. ये इंडिया का सबसे पावरफुल रियल टाइम एडवर्टाइजिंग डेटा है. Blinkit and Zepto are not in delivery business. उन्होंने फास्ट डिलीवरी का प्रॉमिस देकर आपकी अटेंशन कैप्चर की. Then they used your attention to build a high-margin advertising machine that charges the biggest consumer brands on the planet just to reach you. The lesson for your next startup: the product you use to acquire customers जरूरी नहीं वो प्रोडक्ट आपको बिलियनर बनाए. Sometimes the service is just the bait. If you want to understand the hidden strategies behind India's biggest startup, Big Critic को सब्सक्राइब करें. See you in the next case study. And remind to you forgot to like,